Writers have been using paragraph generators for a long while, since these are now an important part of writing. These AI-powered assistants offer a tantalizing prospect. They produce structured blocks of text with just one click. For writers whose deadlines have crept closer or who have hit writer's block, the generators may seem like the easy fix. In addition, the tools enable easy customization of content specific to a particular tone or style. In this article, we'll discover ways to help writers correctly employ these tools and hone their writing. We will also learn how to use the paragraph generator while maintaining the original writer's voice. Ways to utilize the paragraph generator for various writing tasks. Below, we've outlined how to properly utilize the paragraph generating tool for various writing needs. 1. Understand the tool's purpose. The first step is to realize and recognize the tool's true purpose. AI tools aren't there for you to extract paragraphs and use the outputs verbatim. Such tools are designed to provide ideas for your crafts. They act as starting points for the brainstorming sessions, letting you understand the possible structure and tone of your work. However, writers still need to add their personal touch to the final piece to polish up the craft for a more significant impact. We recommend researching the topic or niche you want to generate content for. This will help you narrow down the demands and preferences for the paragraphs, essentially getting more accurate outputs from the paragraph generator. Initial research will also help you quickly comprehend the outputs from the paragraph generator, leading to successful drafts. 2. Choose the right generator. After you're done with getting a topic for your prose, start by searching the right paragraph generator. Many tools in the market function for various tone and paragraph types. However, you must determine the best choice based on features, the ability to control the length, tone, and type of a paragraph. Ease of access. Select a tool that is easy to learn and navigate. Quality of generated content. Look for a generator that produces high-quality, coherent outputs. If a generator fulfills the mentioned criteria, then it's the best option to have for efficient writing. For your convenience, we picked https:/paragraphgenerator.io from the internet, which we believe fulfills all the requirements. It has ample features, a simplistic UI design, and compelling outputs that are easy to read and understand. For the rest of the article, we'll use this tool for demonstrations. However, you can choose any paragraph generator you want as long as it fulfills the aforementioned criteria. 3. Inputting clear prompts. The third step is to give clear prompts. This means that your queries must clearly state the subject matter for which you want the content. Additionally, you must appropriately select the required paragraph type, length, and tone settings to avoid any issues later on. Consider the prompt given below to get an idea of how to pass on clear instructions. Example prompt: write a paragraph summing Napoleon Bonaparte's campaigns in Egypt. Tool settings. With a clear prompt, the paragraph generator will be able to create content that is more aligned with your requirements. It is also a good practice to break down complex topics into smaller, more specific prompts to receive focused outputs. The given prompt is for a detailed paragraph written in expository type, academic tone, explaining Napoleon's campaigns in Egypt. Notice that the instructions are clear and in-depth, requiring the generator to give us a comprehensive paragraph on the topic. As a result, below is the output we received. Tool output. Indeed, the paragraph fulfills the criteria of the given prompt by summing up the entire series of conquests from 1798 to 1801 by Napoleon. You can learn the facts and figures mentioned here and how the words are structured to write your content comprehensively. Before, customizing and tweaking the output. After you've generated an output, it's time to customize and tweak it as you see fit. This means checking whether the content aligns with your goals. Otherwise, the purpose of the whole exercise will be lost. Continuing on our sample output, there can be a possible tweak of length if you don't want such a detailed paragraph. So, choose the concise option and click Generate again. Similarly, you can check if the generated paragraph type is right or wrong by referring back to the requirements from the hosting publication forum, or the academic institution where you need to submit the assignment. Make amendments by choosing between narrative, descriptive, expository, or persuasive paragraph types until satisfied with the results. You can also request the paragraph generator to add specific quotations in the text, as well as formatting preferences and much more. Hence, prompt experiments can also ensure that you get the correct output. 5. Maintaining originality. Every new paragraph that is generated must contain the writer's input. Below are some key strategies to consider to maintain originality in work. Personalize the content. Change the wording and length of the sentences to fit one's writing style. For instance, in a concise style, keep cutting out the verbose statements. Tailor the information. Either take out some information that is not relevant or include some information that is lacking to make the piece coherent, sensible, and relevant. Ensure fluidity. Pay attention to how the paragraphs are read. It is necessary to make it look as if one idea smoothly leads to another. Emphasize your writing style. Your readers should not be reading something that sounds like it was written by a machine or something that can be written by anyone. By reviewing, editing, and refining the generated paragraphs, you will be able to maintain originality in the paragraphs and make the writing process more efficient and effective. Ethical use of AI-generated content. Since paragraph generators use AI to generate content, implications can occur. The biggest one is that AI-generated content is discouraged in a few contexts. These may be reviewed in detail below, along with their possible solutions. Problem: plagiarism concerns. If generated content is not modified enough or properly attributed, there may be concerns about plagiarism. This is because the generators also take texts from the datasets they are fed at the back end. All these datasets contain content that is taken from the internet one way or another. Solution: critical review of content. To prevent this from happening, writers must make sure that generated paragraphs are always rephrased, expanded upon, and critically reviewed. Writers, particularly in professional or academic settings, must ensure that AI-generated information is not simply cut and pasted without regard to creativity. Problem: academic integrity. In scholarly work, using an AI tool in any manner to assist with writing may constitute a breach of integrity, just as plagiarism would. Solution: proper citation of AI-generated work. As institutions refine their guidelines around using AI in academic works, giving proper citations of AI-generated works may become a possibility. This ensures accountability and transparency in academic work and retains its integrity. Problem: AI content is emotionless. While tools like the paragraph generator may help you quickly create content and save time, they can't add the human element of emotion needed to connect with the audience. This is especially true when using AI-generated content for marketing, PR, journalism, and other related fields. Solution: giving regular inputs. As we've covered previously in this post, you can't miss out on adding your own voice to the content. Give the generated content a thorough read and decide what is missing. Add more context to the work and appeal to emotion to make your CTAs more compelling. Final words: paragraph generators are essential tools for writers seeking efficiency in their writing process. These AI-powered writing assistants offer the convenience of generating structured text with just one click, providing ideas and starting points for crafting content. By understanding the tool's purpose, choosing the right generator, inputting clear prompts, and customizing outputs, writers can effectively use paragraph generators to improve their writing. These tools are beneficial for overcoming writer's block and time constraints, allowing for easy personalization and adaptation to various writing tasks. However, one must always consider the ethical circumstances associated with AI-generated content. FAQs. Below, we've covered some common questions users have about the selected topic. Read every answer carefully to resolve your queries successfully. What is a paragraph generator? What are some key features to look for in a paragraph generator? Is using a paragraph generator considered plagiarism? How do I maintain originality when using a paragraph generator? How can a paragraph generator help improve my writing?